Hello and welcome to Vibe Infotech Clinic. Today we are going to be looking at how to add new items in QuickBooks Desktop. So if this is your first time of visiting this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification button so that you'll be notified when we upload a new video. And don't forget to like and bring up your questions in the comment section. Thank you. Now, without wasting much time, let's just get right into it. So to add a new item, just go to the list tab here and then click on item list. Now you will see all the items you have. If you don't have any, you may see something over here. So yours is to just come down to the bottom here and click on that arrow. Then you see new. Then you click on that. Now, depending on the kind of service or the kind of service you render, it will determine what you are going to choose over here. Now, if your product you are adding is a service product, then you have to choose a service. If it is an inventory, then you have to choose an inventory. If it's not inventory, then you have to choose non-inventory. Now, what is a service product? A service product, let's say printing, painting, or those artworks, they are service you are rendering. Or somebody asks you to maybe wash a car. Washing of car is a service. Now when it comes to inventory, they are products that you purchase from your suppliers and they are in stock for you to resell. That is inventory. Products, physical products that you have, then you want to resell. Now you can have a service product that you keep as inventory. For example, you design a frame or a picture frame or a painting. You design them yourself and you put them in your shop to sell. It becomes an inventory. So over here you have to select inventory if that is what you are doing. But in this video we are going to focus on inventory part. Now non-inventory, it means that what maybe fixed assets, furniture, those ones, they are non-inventory, and the rest we are not going to talk about the rest. So let's just focus on today's topic. So we are going for inventory part. Now you will see something here, item number. So every product should have a unique number. Every product should have a unique number. Now if you are using point of sale or you are using the barcode scanner to let's say supermarket, you are using a barcode scanner to sell your items, then in this box you just have to scan. You just have to scan the barcode, then the number will appear here. But if you are not doing that, then you just have to generate a code for yourself. So let's say our product that we want to sell, let's say Cindy rice. Let's say Cindy rice. We want to sell Cindy rice. So this, you can generate any code for that. So you can type Cindy or Sin and add the rice to it. Then the weight of the rice. So let's say if it is 5 by 5, so 5 by 5 kilograms. 5 by 5 kilograms, meaning the rice, it has what, 5 in the 5 kilos, that has 5 in the bag. So that is how you generate the code. Just anything for you to remember. If you want to sell that product, you will not find it difficult. Now you go to the description. Here you are purchase description. You write full description of your item. So this one, Cindy Jasmine rice, 5 by 5 kilograms. That is it. Then just click here and then it will come to the sales description. Then the cost of the item, the cost of the item. So let's say you bought it 350 and you are going to sell it, let's say 400 cedis. That is it. And then you have preferred vendor. Now the preferred vendor is the person that you normally buy that item from. It's not necessarily where you bought it from, but the company or the supplier that usually supplies that product or that product to you. So you go ahead and select that preferred vendor. Now I will just choose this one, other expenses. I didn't have any supplier for this, so you just choose any supplier that normally supply those products for you. So you choose it. Then one important aspect, income account. The income account is where the sales of that product will be tracked. So you click there and then you select an income account. So I have different types of accounts. Now if the one you have to choose is not there, you just have to create it yourself. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to click on add new, and then I'm going to create the income account. So you can see the account type, then account name. So I'll just say rice. They say sub account of, where do you want to place it under? Now I'm going to make a video on how to create this type of accounts. I will be having a different video for that, so just watch out for it. It will be coming in the next few days. Now sub account of, if the account you want to create, you want to put it in under another account, then you select that. So I'm going to select sales. I want to put it under sales, right? Then you can add a description to that, then you are good to go. Save. Now over here you don't have anything to put here, and I didn't put any manufacturer's part number here because it's not actually necessary. So when you are done, then you click OK. So you can see that this is the item you just created. This is the item you just created. Is here Cindy Jasmine, right? Once you double click on it, it will take you back to that aspect. If you want to make any changes, you can do that. So basically that is how you can add an inventory part item in QuickBooks. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to put your questions and your comments in the comment section, and then if you have any other questions you can ask me. I will try as much as possible to respond and then to get you another video on your questions. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye.